Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today is another home renovation. This is the real before picture. So this is after we did it the first time in 2019 when we built our extension on our house, and we did everything the same color, drizzle, and now we're redoing it. So I want to bang this out in like 24 hours. I won't, because I'm going to be painting like the hardware on, so we're going to replace those. The hardware on this vanity piece is silver. We're gonna spray paint those. We'll replace the rod and everything like that. Probably the thing in the shower, we'll replace that and make it gold. The ceiling I don't have to do because the ceiling is going to be like tiled and the molding is going to be the same color as the walls. So I have some hard spots like getting behind the toilet, getting behind the vanity because we're not pulling it out. And I'm going to paint the heater as well. And then this, I think I have to do like half of it brown and half of it not, which is like so weird to me. But when the door shuts, it needs to be like that. All right, I gotta stop talking. Can I bang this out in a day? I'm really gonna try. Let's shut this door because I have to paint this door. I'm gonna paint this piece too. This is not gonna be our main bathroom anymore. We're gonna be in a different main bathroom, but this will be like the main bathroom for guests. And so I thought it'd be cute to keep this up here as like, you know, like when you go to a bar or something and like you hang your stuff up. So we're gonna have to spray paint these too, but I'm just gonna paint it for now. I don't know, whatever. All right, paint glasses are on. Everything is set up as good as I want it to be. I put some plastic on there. I have the blue tarp down here and then the shower curtain there because we're not going to be using it. And I taped off here and that wasn't as bad as I thought. So the color is going to be Deep Earth. No explanation needed on that name. If you guys know, you know that I like to pick meaningful names. Deep Earth is where it's at. Anyway, it also complements like this hallway so well, and it's like the room right after it. So yeah, I'll just give you guys a sneak peek. We'll see how it turns out. There's definitely some rounds in here. Okay, so I actually have to do this door. I forgot, but I did the trim everywhere except for that door, and now I'm going to roll. And yeah, it took me about an hour and a half just to do the trim, which was way more than I had anticipated, but it's okay. We're gonna do like this door, like the inside parts with the brush, and then I'm going to roll. So yeah, I didn't record anything, but like, I'll let you guys see now. I had my music on, but I'll let you guys see. I'll let you guys see. Maybe those sounds would be good for like an ASMR video, but that's not what this is. I want to fast forward through this because I'm so done painting, even though we have so much more house to paint. But I guess I'd give you guys the details. So this one went over budget by a lot. This project really went over budget, but we really made this bathroom ornate, and it really feels like the main bathroom of a home of two people who don't have kids and love entertaining, and this is going to be the bathroom for the entertaining space. And I feel like we really captured that. I had mentioned when we did the hallway that it felt very like speakeasy, like not the mudroom area but the hallway area, and that's exactly the kind of bathroom. This is exactly the kind of bathroom we envisioned off like a speakeasy hallway, especially because our current master bedroom, which is the room right behind this door, is actually going to be a bar. So when our friends come over, it'll be like the place that we hang out in. And so we really wanted to capture the vibe. And I feel like we really did that. You can't really tell here because the white kind of throws it, but I'm really happy overall with how this bathroom turned out. I believe we spent about $1,000, which would be the most expensive room so far. We really lucked out with the ceiling tile because you had to buy them in boxes of 5 each, and we needed exactly 9. So it worked out really, really well. We have one extra tile that we're going to keep in case we need it. And they were very expensive. They were like $250 a box. And everything we got in this room was pretty expensive. But like I said, it came out to be about $1,000, which is the most money we spent on a room, especially considering how small this room is. It's not a very large room. But yeah. Okay, I guess that's enough talking for now. I guess it's time to start rolling. I did not want to use this color sparingly, similar to what happened to the movie room. I'm kind of glad that we did that one first because that was such a vibrant color and it needed 3 coats of paint. And it kind of taught me a lesson that just go on heavy. Don't like try to, you know, go on light because it's going to take you more coats. So if you just go on heavy, it only took me 2 coats in this room, which I'm really happy about. And it only took 1 can of paint. So just to put into context, that is how small this room is. It's a very large room, very large bathroom, I should say, but small room in considering like the other rooms that we've done so far. So it only took 1 can of paint, which I'm very happy about. Hey. Taking a second. This is what it looks like so far. I did some spots have 2 coats, some don't. And you could see it like better in real life. I personally feel like it's gorgeous. I personally believe, no, but I really do. All right. I need a fiver and then I'm going to bang it out. I'm going to finish it. It's all one day. I'm going to finish it in one day. I saved this wall for last because I wasn't sure how much paint everything was going to take. And so I wanted to do this wall last because this is where the medicine cabinets sit. So I knew that if I had to like cut corners with paint, it could be done here. Painting is done. We just have to do all the fixtures. We have to do the ceiling, put our medicine cabinet back up, and all that jazz ham. Yeah, so that's good. It looks like spotty. It's not. That's just a second coat. All right. I'll see you later. So fun fact, this is the bathroom that I used to film all my makeup tutorials in, all my YouTube videos, TikTok videos, they were all filmed in this bathroom. And there was just like a random light bulb hanging from the ceiling. That's where the fart fan was supposed to be. So that's what my husband's doing here. And then I spray painted all the fixtures. I also spray painted the light that was in the ceiling, the 2 lights, the new fart fan and the other one. And then this is what the fixtures look like on. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love the way it looks. And then this was my husband putting up the ceiling. Highly recommend. They stayed on really well and they were easy to cut. And my husband's such a perfectionist, so it just really worked out well. And you could see by his head is where the fart fan thing is, the little square that's in the ceiling. But anyway, this worked out really well. It took us a few days to do it just because we wanted it done right and we had like some events and stuff to do. Overall, this project took us about 3 weeks from start to finish. Okay, and then this is a valance that I made and I just thought it was too bright. So I decided to dye it in some coffee. So these are just all old coffee grinds that I save because sometimes I save them and I put them in the freezer so that they don't get moldy. And so I just boiled them up and then I put this in there and then I washed it because it had a ton of coffee grinds all over it. And it just cut off the edge. It didn't really do anything fantastic. But anyway, this is the bathroom. This is the end result, the moment we've all been waiting for. Obsessed with our swan faucets and our owl shower curtain. And you could see the edges just kind of taken off of that valance. The light is beautiful. The ceiling is beautiful. The color is beautiful. And we got to keep the most expensive things, which is the vanity and the medicine cabinets, and we just switched out the fixtures. And then this is the little nook. We had nothing here before. This is right above the toilet. I'm obsessed with these floating shelves. I'm obsessed with just all of it. I just feel like it's really nicely Nicely done. I mean, we did it. So is it weird saying that? I don't know. And again, this isn't going to be our master bathroom. So our toothbrush and our water pick that's on the counter is not going to be there by the time we have like our friends coming over. Oh, we also switched out the light faces, like the switch faces, the plates, to brown, which I was really happy we were able to get that. And then this is the other door that I was painting before, and you can see the doorknob. It's just, everything's very ornate. And just one more time for the swans because I love it so much. Let me know what you guys think. I love you so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.